So we can also add a chatbot to our website. So I'm going to go here to the left to add, and I'm going to go to contacts and forms, and then I'm going to click on WIX chat. And I'm just going to click this one over here, which says chat with us. And we have a little chatbot that's set up here in the bottom right-hand corner. So let's have a look at the settings. And I'm going to click get started. So let's have a look at the settings first. And in the header, I can choose what kind of icon I'll have over there. I can select an avatar. And if I want to upload my own picture, I have to upgrade to WIX Ascend. And this is the pricing of WIX Ascend over here. So let's go into the header again, and I can change the chat box title. Let's make it to welcome. Got a question. And you can see here on the right side, it's updating in real time. And then I can set a kind of reply circuit. I'm going to go with we'll reply as soon as we can. I'm going to go back. So now let's have a look at the pre-chat form. Now I've got some items here I can customize to be on or off to collect some information about my customers. So when the visitors see the form, I'm going to say once they open the chat box, they're going to see the form, and I'll collect their data immediately. I'm going to make it mandatory for them to leave their information behind. And I'm going to write here intro text over here, and that's good for now. Now I can change the layout style. I can have a rounded, or I can have a bar. I think I'll go with the rounded for simplicity. And I can change where this opens up. I can go to the bottom left or to the bottom right. And I'm going to go here with the bubble notification instead of the open chat. Looks a little bit more simple and cleaner. And I can go into the design here. I can change the font type, the font color, the background. And I'm happy with all of these colors. They go with my site and with my site's text. And one of the cool things about WIX Chat is you can download the WIX app on your mobile phone, and when somebody comes online, you can chat with them from your mobile phone. So you can have direct contact with your customers as they're visiting the website. So give it a try and see if your customers will interact with you via WIX Chat.